Hey everybody, it's Dhaval again. I'm over here at the Friday market here in Kos, Turkey, and I just had to shoot this video here of these beautiful Turkish women at this place called Borazan, and they're making Turkish pancakes. And you know, you can get them with spinach and cheese, yellow and cheese, potato, yellow cheese, potato. I mean, all these different kinds of versions here, along with other Turkish foods like bread and Turkish drinks, Turkish coffee. But I had to show this video here to you here. And these lovely women here are rolling out the Turkish pancakes, and just really amazing. She's rolling out the dough right here. And over here you can see the spinach and cheese here. And here it looks like she's making a sweet one with chocolate and bananas. It's kind of like a crepe, if you will. And then she's throwing it over here on the grill. You can see that. Now she's prepping them, it looks like. But now she's going to cook it here on one side. She's lightly buttering it. This looks really delicious. And you can see her flipping it. It's really hot out here today. It's like really hot and muggy out here in the Turkish Mediterranean, but that's good. So you can see that she's getting this ready. She's warming these up back here. And this one looks like it's ready. She cuts it up into different pieces. And voila, looks like it's ready to serve. So, this one I think is with spinach and cheese. Also get it with fresh vegetables in there. Now she's going to cut this up and serve it. I might have to eat one a little afterwards, but that was really delicious and fantastic. So anyway, I just had to show you this Turkish delicacy here with these lovely Turkish women here. They've been very gracious and hospitable in letting me film them. So I'll be posting this up here. Hope you guys like the video, and I will check in with you guys soon.